All right, welcome to STEM for All. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can multiply two-digit numbers by a two-digit number. So we have this example, 42 times 59. We have 42 times 59. And we're going to do the vertical method way. The vertical method way. That's one of the famous ways that all the students, they are trying to multiply two-digit numbers. Okay, so we have 49, and I'm gonna change my colors as you can see so you guys can see it very well. We're multiplying it by 59. Oh, it's not 49, it is 42, right? It is 42. That's our number. So 42 multiplying by 59. Okay, I'm gonna choose a different color. There you go. So let's start with 9. Okay, you start with your last digit number. You start with the last digit number right here on the second number that you have on the 59. So you're gonna multiply 9. You're gonna start with 9 and multiply it by 2. Okay, so now you need to ask yourself, what is 9 times 2? What is 9 times 2? Okay, okay, yep, somebody said 18. Okay, somebody said 18. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the 8 here, and then the 1, it will be carried over. The 1 will be carried over. So now I'm done with 9 times 2. Now I need to multiply this 9 by 4. I need to multiply this 9 by 4 because I'm done. I'm done with 2. Now I have to multiply it by 4. 9 times 4. Who can tell me what is 9 times 4? Who can tell me what is 9 times 4? Yep, 9 times 4 is 36. But then remember, we have our extra 1, right? We have that extra 1. So 1 plus 36. What is 1 plus 36? What is 1 plus 36? Yep, okay. That would be 37. So I'm going to put 37 right here, and I don't have any other numbers on the left side of the 4. So 37. This means what? 42 times 9 is 378. But we're not done yet. We just took care of 9. Let me change the color. Now I'm going to be working on 5. Okay? The next number on the left side of 9 is 5. So we're multiplying 5 by 2, and look at the arrows that where it's going. Okay, we're multiplying 5 by 2. Okay, and I'm gonna put the number below 7. 5 times 2, somebody told me that it's 10, and that person is correct. Okay, so 10, I'm putting the last digit in there. So but I have that extra 1 here that I'm gonna carry it over. Next, after that, I'm multiplying it by 4. What is 5 times 4? What is 5 times 4? 5 times 4. I'm waiting for an answer. Okay, my friend told me that 5 times 4 is 20. But remember, we have that extra 1 that we carried over, right? So 1 plus 20. What is 1 plus 20? And my friend told me that it is 21. So I'm putting 21 right here on the left side. Now let me choose the black color right here, and I'm adding these numbers. Okay, now I'm adding these numbers. So 42 times 5 is 210. But now let me add these numbers, and let me choose a different color. I'm gonna choose pink right there. So what is 8 plus nothing? If you have nothing, that means there's 0. If you have nothing in here, that means 0. So what is 8 plus 0? And my friend told me it is 8. Yep. Now you move to the next one. It's a simple addition. 7 plus 0, that is 7. My friend told me it is 7. And then 3 plus 1. What is 3 plus 1? 3 plus 1. Okay? 3 plus 1 would be 4. And then after that, 2 plus nothing, right? 2 plus nothing is 2. So, and of course your comma goes there. 42 times 59. 42 times 59 equals to 2,478. And this is how you multiply two-digit numbers by a two-digit number. Hopefully this colors made it a little bit clear for you guys. And thank you so much for watching this video. Like it, subscribe it, ask your questions, put your comments and concerns in the comment box.